What is the most difficult accent that you've learned?
Thanks so much for that question. It's really weird because I find most accents reasonably easy. I can sit and listen to somebody, or I'll meet somebody for the first time and I've got this obsession with as soon as I start talking, I just want to experience it, I'm listening and my whole body's I wonder what it feels like to be that person. So if I ever do meet you and I start to mimic you, it's because I've just got this absolute fascination to know what it is to be you. And I find accents mostly very easy to do because it is, I can't even understand what it is, but it is part of me. Maybe I am a psycho. No, the thing is, I just think that because I've traveled so much and spent a lot of time with a lot of different people from all walks of life, that it's just part of who I am. And that's why I find it quite easy to do. Anyway, thanks for the question.